Welcome to my air fryer recipe series. This is recipe number 3 of 30, air fried chicken skewers. This is a juicy and tender chicken grill for which I have used chicken thigh pieces and put all my flavorings and seasonings along with some olive oil. Give it a quick toss and then marinate it for just 1 hour to help all the flavors blend in the chicken. Once marination is done, which can even be overnight, put them in skewers piece by piece, making sure they are touching each other, leaving not much space to lock the moisture in. Once all of them are done, it's time for them to go in the air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius for 13 minutes, but it depends on your own air fryer. To enhance the flavor of the chicken, put finely chopped fresh coriander leaves, salt and fresh garlic in some melted butter. Brush on the chicken skewers when they are halfway done to elevate the taste, and your whole house will be filled with fresh garlic and herb aroma. Enjoy this freshly made quick and easy air fried chicken on pita, rice, tortilla, or many other dishes. Follow for more upcoming quick and easy air fry recipe. I will be posting 30 recipes in this series. Thank you for watching and bye for now.